What's up, YouTube? I figured I'd show you guys this Savage or Stevens Model 311 shotgun restoration we've been doing. I put up kind of a middle of the road video about this before. I didn't, document step by step the restoration, but the gun was in pretty poor shape. We just wrapped it up. We're getting ready to do the final lubrication, the final checks before she goes on to her new happy life. So anyway, I figured I'd just give you guys a shot of what it looks like when it's done. We did Duracoat it. Did have some pretty significant metal damage. We were able to fill and salvage all that. We didn't have to replace any parts on this gun. We were able to salvage pretty much everything. Came out really good, Again, did significant metal work on the barrel, which came out slick. It looks really good. The wood also came out really well. Another thing I did that was kind of different is I polished the tang. I don't know if you can get a good view of that, but it really kind of takes a gun that's semi-low end and gives it just a little detail that kind of makes it look like a higher end gun. The wood looks really good. We true oiled the stock. We got to go ahead and rub that down and give it a little satin finish. But the wood was really interesting when we got it. It was like a gray green kind of. You couldn't see any wood grain. You couldn't see anything at all with it, and it just made it look rough, and it was actually, as you can see, some really pretty wood. We redid the butt pad. We redid the butt spacer. We did some gunsmithing work on it as well. The safety wouldn't work, so we silver soldered the detent area on the safety. Got that going good again. And let me get the underside real quick for you. Alright, so now we got the other side. You can see that the barrel did come out really well. Fore grip came out good. This was Duracoated, matte black. I kind of like the matte black for shotguns. It's just tough enough that and it's flexible, so it sits kind of well on the gun. We polished up the trigger guard. And again, you can kind of see the tang was polished up. Again, came out good. I love doing shotgun restorations. I wish I could do more of them. I kind of forget every now and again about them, and love doing it. So anyway, like I said before, we didn't do a big to-do series on this gun. If there's anything about this gun that you guys need help with, or any questions about disassembly, assembly, smithing on it, anything like that, leave a comment. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you next time.